Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this automatic 308 in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's full LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got an 8-speed automatic gearbox done 6,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.